This video is sponsored by Surfshark. In the last video I built tank/tractor tracks and it worked absolutely perfectly. I told I will build a full RC vehicle that will be driven by those tracks. In this video I do exactly that. The tractor will drive, as you saw in the intro, but it won't steer yet. The whole steering system I will build in part 3. But for now I'm going to build the most complicated part of this tractor. This is the driving mechanism that makes the tractor moving forward or backwards. By the way, all 3D models are completely free for you to download, so if you wanna print and build this by yourself or just investigate my design a bit more closely, links are down below. In the last video I built those tracks. Off camera I finished another one. I will not focus on those tracks in this video because I have a whole video about those. So for now I have to attach the second one to the other end of aluminium pipe. Well, here is pretty much stuff to do, so let's get right into it. Big thanks to Surfshark for making this video possible. Surfshark VPN is an app and browser extension that basically lets you place virtually to the other location. This helps you to access the content or websites that aren't available in your country. For example, Netflix. Netflix in Europe is way different than in US. If you wanna watch TV shows or movies that aren't available in your country but are, for example, UK, just place yourself there with Surfshark and enjoy. Also, using VPN like Surfshark make your internet more secure by masking your IP address and making your internet more safer from hackers and trackers, especially important when you are using public Wi-Fi. Surfshark has more than 3,200 servers in 65 countries. Anywhere you go, you will find a server that fits for your needs, and those servers are 100% RAM only. All the information that would usually be on the hard drive is automatically deleted whenever the server is turned off. If you are interested, you probably are, use the link on the description and enter my promo code LET'SPRINT. You will get 83% off plus 3 months completely free. So don't miss the chance. But for now, let's continue with my tractor. Really quickly I explain what is going on over here. 775 DC motor running this yellow stackable planetary gearbox. This is my design and I have a video about this. If you are interested, highly recommend to check this out. Those gearboxes have 1:27 gear ratio and is absolutely perfect. This blue bevel gear is attached to the gearbox output. The other bevel gear is attached to the shaft that is attached to the driver's sprocket, and this driver's sprocket will drive the whole vehicle. About this shaft, I actually changed my original idea. My idea was to run left and right side independently, but I messed this up. One shaft was too short and it didn't reach to the bearing. Because of that, I got both of them shorter. I added one piece of the shaft between those and connected them together with a coupler. The good thing about this is that the both sides will always move at the same speed. Bad thing is, I gonna steer this like a regular tank. When the right side moves faster than the left side, the tank will turn left. Now this type of steering is not an option, but I didn't plan to steer my tractor like this anyway. In the next part you will see how I will steer this tractor. To test this right now, I also wired those two 775 DC motors to my legendary DC motor speed controller, and power I will take from 6 amp LiPo battery. Later I will use ESC receiver and transmitter. But this is my really first test right now. Wrong way. Good enough, let's go outside. This amount of the tractor that I have right now surprised me really positively. In the sketch everything works, but in real life there is always something that you don't see and won't work or impossible to assemble and so on. This is really big and complicated project and still there have not been any major setback. There is part 3 coming for sure, and in the part 3, as I told before, I'm going to build a steering system and I add all the electronics that are needed to drive this tractor with the transmitter. Actually I wanna show you my plan to steer this tractor. There are 3 possible ways to do that. Number 1, everything that I have right now, I have to mirror this to the other end too, and run one side faster than the other. But this is actually not possible anymore, because I connected both sides shafts together. Number 2, the beginning is same, I build everything that I have so far again, and then I attach this to the other end. But between the front and the back side is a joint, and the body from the middle is turning. Something like this tractor. And number 3, basically I have wheels at the back or front. I haven't decided what end is which even. This is how most combines steer, or even some type of tractors. I probably will choose the last one. I like the last one, because this is something different. If I choose the second one, it will be pretty boring in my opinion, because I have to build everything that I have already built again, and there isn't something new for the part 3. Those are the options. By the way, I haven't started design yet, so please leave a comment which steering I should choose or you like the most. But this is it for today's video. I hope you have subscribed and turned the notification bell on to not miss part 3. Big thanks for watching this video and see you guys really soon. Bye.